Before you die, live a story of happiness and wisdom. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a wise old man named William. He was loved by everyone because he was always happy and smiling. People would often ask him, "William, how are you so happy all the time? Don't you ever feel sad or angry?" William would smile and say, "I am happy because I don't expect anything from anyone." Expectations hurt. When we expect others to act a certain way or give us something, we often feel disappointed. So, I learned to let go of expectations and enjoy life as it is. One day, a young boy named Sam came to William and said, "I want to be happy like you. Can you teach me how?" William nodded and said, "Happiness is simple, Sam. Just remember these lessons, and you'll find peace in your heart." Lesson 1. Listen before you speak. William said, "Many people talk without listening, and that creates problems. Before you speak, take a moment to listen carefully. When you listen, you understand others better, and they feel valued." Sam thought for a moment and said, "So, if I listen more, people will trust me and like me." William smiled. "Exactly, my boy. Listening shows you care." Lesson 2. Think before you write. Sometimes we write things in anger or haste, William continued. Before you write anything, be it a letter, a message, or even your thoughts, think about its impact. Words are powerful. They can heal or hurt. Always choose kind and thoughtful words. Lesson 3. Earn before you spend. Before you spend money, make sure you've earned it. Hard work teaches us the value of things. When you earn something, you'll appreciate it more. Sam nodded, realizing that he sometimes wasted money on things he didn't need. Lesson 4. Forgive before you pray. William looked at Sam and said, "Forgiveness is like cleaning your heart. If you hold anger or hate, your heart becomes heavy. Before you pray to God or ask for blessings, forgive those who have hurt you. A kind heart is a happy heart." Lesson 5. Feel before you hurt. Before you hurt someone, stop and feel their pain, William said. How would you feel if someone hurt you? Always think about this before saying or doing anything that could harm others. Lesson 6. Love before you hate. Love is stronger than hate, Sam, William explained. If you choose love over hate, your life will be filled with happiness and peace. Hate only makes us weak, but love makes us strong. Lesson 7. Try before you quit. Never give up without trying your best, William said. Sometimes, success is just one step away. If you quit too soon, you might miss a wonderful opportunity. Lesson 8. Live before you die. Finally, William said, "Life is short, Sam. Don't waste it worrying about things you can't control. Be happy, enjoy the little moments, and live every day as if it's your last. Before you die, make sure you truly live." Sam listened carefully to every word. From that day on, he tried to follow William's advice. He listened more, thought before speaking, and chose love and forgiveness. Slowly, Sam's life became happier and more meaningful. Years later, Sam became a wise man like William. He shared the same lessons with others, spreading happiness wherever he went. Friends, remember William's lessons in your life. Listen, think, forgive, and most importantly, live fully. English may be a language, but through stories like this, we can learn how to live better and connect with others. What lesson did you like the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's learn and grow together.